Hello, children. Hope you all are doing well. Your computer teacher is here again with another topic, that is output devices. Do you know what are output devices? Output devices are those which are used to display the data that we enter into a computer and the result that we get after processing. Do you know which is the most commonly used output device? The most commonly used output device is monitor. It looks like a television. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. There are three types of monitors: CRT monitor, LCD monitor, and LED monitor. CRT monitors are generally less expensive but consume more electricity. Both CRT and LCD monitors produce sharp images, but LCD monitors have the advantage of being much thinner, lighter, and consume less electricity. LED monitors look more or less same as LCD monitor, but LED monitors are more in demand than LCD monitors. Next output device is speaker. Speakers are the output devices used to listen to music, sound, and audio effects from the computer. Next output device is the printer. It is an important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Let's learn about these printers one by one. Dot matrix printer. It works like a typewriter. It's very noisy and the output it produces is of low quality. Also, the output that we get is in black and white only. Now, inkjet printer. It sprays the droplets of ink to form text or graphics. The output that it produces is of high quality and its output may be in both black and white or colored. Next, laser printer. It uses laser beam and dry ink to print. It produces high quality output and its speed is very fast. It also works like a photocopier. Besides all these printers, there is another printer that is called all-in-one printer. It is a multi-function printer and is used as an office machine, which not only prints but also scans, produces photocopies, and faxes the documents. That's why this type of printers are also known as all-in-one printer. Okay, children, let's know more. The laser printer was invented at Xerox in 1969 by Gary Starkweather. Now it's time to test yourself. Solve the following questions. The first one is filling the blanks. A part. The dash printer gives very high quality output. B part. Dash displays the result that we get after processing. Second question, state true or false. The multifunction printer is also known as all-in-one printer. And the third question is, identify the following pictures and name them.